Hello everyone, welcome to Fulbright Learning. So today we are going to learn how do you start a conversation when you meet someone. Most of the time you start the conversation by asking questions. So if you are good at asking questions, you will not hesitate to speak with the other person. So I am going to teach you a set of basic question format which you can use while starting the conversation with a non-person or stranger. Let me introduce to you WH questions. WH questions begin with what, when, where, who, whom, which, whose, why, and how. We use them to ask for information. Now I am going to start reading where question one by one. Please read these questions aloud along with me. Don't worry if you are not able to understand the meaning of the sentence. Here we are making you comfortable with English word and sentence structure so that when you need them in real conversation, it will come to you automatically. Your mouth muscles will get trained in speaking English if you practice them repeatedly. If you don't understand the meaning of any words, please check the meaning on the internet. Please read these questions aloud along with me. जब आप किसी से मिलते हैं तो बातचीत कैसे स्टार्ट करते हैं? ज़्यादातर समय आप क्वेश्चन पूछ के बातचीत स्टार्ट करते हैं। इसीलिए अगर आप क्वेश्चन पूछने में अच्छे हैं तो आप दूसरे व्यक्ति के साथ बोलने में हेजिटेट नहीं करेंगे। तो मैं आपको बेसिक क्वेश्चन फॉर्मेट का एक सेट सिखाने जा रही हूँ जिसका यूज़ आप किसी भी नॉन पर्सन या किसी फ्रेंड से बातचीत स्टार्ट करते समय कर सकते हैं। आइए मैं आपको WH क्वेश्चन से इंट्रोड्यूस कराती हूँ। क्वेश्चन की शुरुआत व्हाट, when, where, who, whom, which, whose, why और how से होती है। हम उनका यूज़ इन्फॉर्मेशन मांगने के लिए करते हैं। अब मैं पढ़ना शुरू करने जा रही हूँ वेयर क्वेश्चंस एक एक करके। प्लीज़ मेरे साथ इन क्वेश्चंस को ज़ोर से पढ़ें। डोंट वरी अगर आप सेंटेंस के मीनिंग को समझने में कैपेबल नहीं हैं। यहाँ हम आपको इंग्लिश वर्ड्स और सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर के साथ कंफर्टेबल बना रहे हैं ताकि जब आपको रियल कन्वर्सेशन में उनकी आवश्यकता हो तो ऑटोमेटिकली आपके पास आ जाए। अगर आप बार बार प्रैक्टिस करते हैं तो आपके माउथ मसल्स को इंग्लिश बोलने में आसानी होगी। अगर आप किसी वर्ड के मीनिंग को नहीं समझते हैं तो प्लीज़ इंटरनेट पर इसका मीनिंग देखें। प्लीज़ मेरे साथ इन क्वेश्चंस को ज़ोर से पढ़ें। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट देन। वेयर आर यू? Where is your friend going? Where is my mobile charging? Where are they roaming around? Where is he right now? Where is she staying tonight? Where am I standing? Where are you doing your job? Where are your files? Where is her residence? Where is she pointing her finger? Where is your favorite novel kept? Where are they looking at? Where is your favorite song in the playlist? Where are you going to go this Sunday? Where are you looking? Where is she meeting us? Where are we conducting the meeting? Where are we going? Where am I supposed to follow up? Where am I interested? Where is your bag hidden? Where is the camera that we purchased last week? Where is your belt missing? Where is the issue? Where are you hurt by the man? Where is she calling you from? Where are you living these days? Where is my sister dancing? Where is the Indian embassy? Where is the wedding to be? Where is the railway station? Where is the ticket window? Where is the emergency exit? Where is the nearest airport? Where is the nearest museum? Where are you organizing the event? Where are the artists coming from? Where are they from? Where is the receipt of the order? Where are you planning to advertise your startup? Where are you looking to buy a plot? Where is my car? Where is my bike? Where is your shirt? Where is your food? Where is everyone? Where is the rope? Where do you have to go? Where do you invest the money? Where does he reside? Where does he belong to? Where did the accident happen? Where did you sleep last night? Where did she put her clothes? Where do you want to live? Where do we have to celebrate Diwali? Where does he want me to send the money? Where does all the rainwater go? Where does you carry your gold? Where did you get it from? Where does he need to improve? Where does he lack? Where does he need to focus more? Where do we have to put the candles? Where do you see yourself in the next 5 years? Where did you find me? Where do we have to sign on the paper? Where do we have to submit this paper? Where do you go to play every day? Where do you study in your house? Where did you get this coat? Where did you get this ring? Where did they buy vegetables? Where did he work earlier? Where do we need to invest? Where does he live in Mumbai? Where did you see my photos? Where did he expand his business? Where did you make a mistake? Where did you plan to sleep tonight? Where did you play tennis? Where did this piece go? Where did you go for vacation? Where did you guys meet? Where did you get those? Where do you have to be? Where does this book go? Where did he work last summer? Where do they go for Italian food? Where did the money come from? Where do they come from? Where did you get the job? Where do you put my keys? Where do I pay for the gas? Where do you suggest we go? Where does your uncle live? Where do you want to start? Where do you think we are? Where did you buy flowers? Where did they get the subway? Where did you hire him from? Where did you hide her? Where did you learn that? Where did the questions arise? Where did you get this notebook from? Where did you go for a long drive? Where were you? Where was I going now? Where were you living in your childhood? Where was your father when you met with an accident? Where was she studying then? Where was your friend from? Where were they looking at? Where was I searching for my clothes? Where was your daughter? Where were they? Anyway, where was she last day? Where was she pointing her pen? Where was the homework? Where was your issue coming? Where was the next problem in the book? Where was your bank passbook? Where was room 105? Where was the pen? Where was Vikram hidden? Where was the teacher going to beat the student? Where were we making an error? Where was the door? Where were the birds chirping? Where were you feeding the dog? Where were they struggling? Where was she shifted? Where was she gifted $100? Where was your friend running away? Where was she pointing out the from? Where were your parents? Where was the firm's main office? Where were the forms submitted? Where was the main clerk? Where was the old building earlier? Where is the parking place? Where were you partying the previous night? Where was the puja happening? Where was the sound coming from? Where was her coaching center? Where were we? Where was that? Where have you worked so far? Where have you been, Ram? Where do we start? Where will we eat? Where will you go? Where will you be this Sunday? Where was she offered a good salary? Where was my driver? Where was I supposed to sit? Where were you calling from? Where were they taking you? Where were you going to be? Where was the lawyer at the time of hearing? Where will we meet again? Where should I sit? Where should we talk? Where should I get popcorn? Where should I put this? Where can I get tickets? Where can I catch a bus? Where can I buy these tickets?